Okay, so welcome to this very quick demo of Back to Basics. I'm here inside the members area, and before I do that, I just want to give a quick overview, as most people do, of recent earnings from using this system and the various other systems that I use for affiliate and internet marketing, because since I started affiliate marketing at the start of 2019 online, so I'm into my third year now, so about 2.5 years in, there's been a steady growth of my income during that period. So I just wanted to show you how things stand right at this moment. So as you can see here, income for the last 30 days, so we're here on the 21st of July that I'm recording this, has been 38,339. Now it has gone over 40 quite recently, as you'll actually see below on the sales page, and you'll also see a snapshot that I've done from almost an identical day 1 year earlier. So I think I did the screenshot that you can see below on the sales page from, if I'm not mistaken, the 17th of July this year, and then I did one from the 16th of July last year. So you can see that the average monthly income is more than doubling. So it's gone from 20,000 a month in the middle of last year, or just over 20,000 a month, I think it was 22, up to now sort of 40. So obviously, if that continues to double, then hopefully, you know, all things being well, we might be looking at maybe 80,000 this time next year. That would be nice, wouldn't it? But obviously it's proof that the systems that I employ actually work. So that's a bit of income proof for you. So let's head back to the members area. So in here you'll find obviously welcomes from me and the other members of the team, Manoj and Walter. Then we've got an overview of the Back to Basics system. Then we've got the main training section where we go through all of the the elements themselves. Then we've got some free resources for you, which includes a huge bundle of over 50 products that you can use, a bit of information on how you can use those resources as well, and then there are bonuses which you can see on the sales page as well, and if you miss any upgrades there's an opportunity to pick them up here. So it's a very concise course. Obviously it's a basic course. It's designed to be very easy for you to work through because it's aimed at people that are new or with very limited technical knowledge. So everything is really explained clearly in both video and in easy to follow slides that you can watch. So I think that you will find that if you've been in any way struggling online to get your head around all of these difficult terminologies and have just been a little bit overwhelmed with everything that you've seen so far, then Back to Basics really is a course for you that will solidify how you can get started with making some serious money online, and that you can look forward in the future to enjoy the sort of income figures that I've just shown you on those earlier examples. So look forward to seeing you inside the members area of Back to Basics.